Hermes! Working to my burger, working to my burger. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I am a fashion freak, a goya, a geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic shithead, an Hermes whore, oopsie, cat, or we use that. An Hermes homie, an Hermes holistic, an Hermes, an Hermes animal. An Hermes animal? Because of the sound? Does that work? No? Okay. Today's video obviously gonna be about Hermes. Another Hermes unboxing. So if that's something you're interested in, we're gonna do another Hermes unboxing. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Please subscribe. Keep on watching. Please subscribe. Keep on watching. Couple of good from Hermes. We got some Hermes unboxings to do for you guys. I'm so excited. We got 3 in there, 2 in here. So 5. Okay, so sorry. I recorded the intro and then I took a break. So now I'm recording the actual video a little later. Outfit change, look change, costume change, same thing. Okay, so we're gonna start with unboxing of these 3 things. So, quick update on my Hermes journey. Where am I at now? Where am I at my Hermes journey? I think I'm supposed to be getting close to a bag. Not exactly sure, but I mean, I think what I've heard is either like 1-to-1 or 2-to-1. So I'm approaching 2-to-1 now. I've passed 1-to-1 and I didn't get a bag offer yet. That might be because my bag isn't there yet, or it might be because I haven't spent enough money. Not sure. Don't love the process. Don't hate the process. Just dealing with the process. I want the bag, so this is what I'm dealing with. To each their own. Totally understand if you guys think this is a weird process or not something you want to do to spend all that money just to get the thing you want. But I am enjoying the things that I'm buying while I spend and enjoying the brand to get the thing that I want. Like I said, I do have that Kelly that I took out because I don't want to confuse. But I have a Kelly that I'm loving. I literally love it. I cannot stop holding it. I'm like obsessed with it. I like hug it. It's like, it makes me feel so good. So I cannot wait to get my new Birkin or Kelly. I think I might want a Kelly now more than Birkin. But, so I went into Hermes on Wednesday and I'll post a little shopping vlog. I think I posted a shopping vlog, or if I didn't, I will. Basically what I looked at. There's a lady there doing little drawings of dogs right now. So you can go up to the 3rd floor, and they're open now. So they're completely open, so you can just walk in. You don't have to make an appointment. You don't have to wait in line. You can just walk in and browse. You don't have to be assigned. It's not a 1-to-1 assigned to a person anymore, which is crazy and amazing. Also, I found out that, okay, so this is a little Hermes update. Hermes update first. Also, I found out that they are opening an Hermes in Topanga Mall, which is closer to my parents' house, which is closer to where I grew up. So a whole new Hermes, a whole new opportunity for getting bags, developing a relationship with that store and that SA, which is a great, like, I'm just so excited about that, to build that relationship there as well, because then you can have more opportunity to get more bags and more relationships. And I'm get an SA there when it opens. It's opening summer 2023, so still a whiles away, but I can't wait to start having a relationship there. But yeah, they have this little lady doing dogs. Also, in 2 weeks, they're doing a men's thing. I don't know when I'm going to post this video. This might be after. So the little dog thing might be over. This all might be over by the time I post this video, because I'm so behind on videos log that I'm posting them like not in the right order. Wow, I'm so behind on posting. I have so many things to post. It's so, you guys, it's so much. I need to start doing this quicker. Okay, I'm going to start posting like more videos a day, I think. I just need to get them out. Okay. No, the week of the 11th, October 11th, they're doing an Hermes men's sale special viewing thing. So I got invited to go to the special viewing of the new men's line and kind of shop and just make an appointment and kind of look around, which is really exciting. It's kind of like my Tea for Tiffany thing that I did that I have not posted yet either. Anyway, okay, so today's unboxing. So I got 2 small rings. Okay, so I got 2 rings. So here's the receipts for everything. Hold on! This ring was $660 and the other ring was $245. So range of rings. They come in these little boxes, which are so cute. Love. These are presents for my friends, so they're not actually doing unboxing because he's already wearing them. So here's a photo of him with 2 rings, but it's going towards my account, my sales, and in a jewelry category, which is a good category to get into because it's the way I've read it's the way to USA's heart because they think they get more commission out of jewelry. Gold jewelry, silver jewelry, I think it's all the same. Silver jewelry is also obviously at a way cheaper price point. Their gold jewelry is a little more expensive. It's kind of on par with Cartier and Van Cleef in terms of prices. Quality, don't know yet, but the silver jewelry is a little step up from the enamel, which they have on the first floor. Jewelry, the silver and gold jewelry is on the second floor. And they sit you down in this little booth and like kind of do this whole thing where they, you know, bring out options. It's very cutesy, very like, it feels very like Van Cleef. Not, Cartier's a little more, it's like so commercialized and industrial. They don't really sit, I mean, they do have little sit things when you actually pick something, when you're looking at things. It's just, you're just looking in the whole store. Anyway, so 2 rings, my friend. One we bought earlier, and this one we bought yesterday. So what I got? 3 little things. Okay, so. Hello. Oh, okay. So this is just working towards my goal. This is something I wanted. I wanted to get it in this color, and I wanted to get a larger one because I have two of these already in the smaller sizes, which I've unboxed already. But I wanted to get something a little bigger that I can use for, you know, more things because those small ones, sometimes they're so small. I'm just gonna open it so we can tell you. Okay, so here's, which one's like? Well, here, there are 2. They go together, so I'm gonna open both of them because I don't know which one's which. But they go together. So I unboxed both of, I unraveled both of them. Unraveled. Okay. So I don't know which one's which. This one I think is what I think. It's heavier, and the box is kind of like this. Most of their boxes are like this, where the top is bigger than the bottom, but this one is an even box, which makes me think this. Yeah, okay. So, we'll do this one first. A zippy good box. So, I got the Ulysses notebook cover in the MM size in chai, which is really special to me because that is, well, first of all, chai, I love this color. It's beautiful. It's like it's almost a neutral. It's like a little lighter than gold. It's a little lighter than their Hermes gold, but it's like their newest color for 2022. And chai's the name of my dog. Love and chai because I'm Indian and I love that. Love for this color and this name. And it's such a pretty color. And it's impossible to get. They like are always sold out of chai. I want a bag in chai, which we'll see if that happens. But can you imagine a little bag in this color? It'd be perfect. Like matches my skin. So I got the notebook cover in the MM because I wanted a bigger one to be able to do like my daily stuff and have my daily to-do list and stuff like that. I have the smaller one and the medium size, which I don't have with me here, but maybe I'll do a video with all 3 of them in a sec, kind of to show you what they all look like in terms of size. But now I have like a little set, a little cute little set in here. It's like this. Oh, I love this box because it's like this box where it doesn't detach. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I wish they did more of these kind of boxes. Okay, so that's how that goes. It's funny, they didn't give me a box for my first ones. I wonder if I can ask. Maybe I'll ask. Open it up like that, and it's just literally a piece of leather. The other ones that I got, one had a double-sided leather, so it was more expensive. And then it's got its serial number down here. It's got these 2 buckles where you attach the paper. Buckle here to close it with this. It says Hermes Paris on all these little buckles, and then it closes like that. And you can get it monogrammed with your name down here or in the inside. I'm gonna get it monogrammed with my name MB right here. And then this kind of just goes inside. So you have to use the Hermes paper. There are things where people say you can use a different paper. It has this one little paper like that that's ruled. If you want to put it underneath, you use it like as lines. Only if you see it in the light. Oh yeah, you can. Otherwise, this is just really thick, like sturdy drawing paper is what it's called. It is expensive per paper, obviously. I mean, it's not cheap. But what people do, I've heard, is you buy the one, keep it, and then you can reuse this little thing and just take out the papers and buy a new spiral thing and then just reuse it, because it is like 60 to 80 to 100 bucks for just the paper, which is, you know, really expensive paper. But it's got this little ruler thing. That's where it attaches. So you just have that. And then you have this clear page on the front, which I think comes in different colors too if you want. But it says Hermes. It's got the little logo, and then you have the papers. So you can put it in this. It's very easy to attach. You just snap it. Snap there, and now it's like this. So And now, this is what it looks like all closed up. It smells so good. So it's like a nice journal. I mean, you could journal. I mean, it could be your journal. You can do a lot of things. I don't know how many pages this is. Probably like 80 or 100. I'm gonna start using this as my daily, everyday to-do list. I'm so excited. I love it. I love it. So those two. So that cover was $385, and then the paper was like $60, I think. That's $385 and $60 for $445 plus tax. So it's probably $500. So this is a $500 thing. So not cheap for literally a journal, but you know, I wanted it and I love it. So, oh look, I got another one of these boxes. Oh, this is a twisty one too. Ah! Okay, so this is the third thing I got. So it's the same thing, but the smaller size for my other bag. And this one, my other thing, this one, see, has an orange front page, which, you know, I wish mine actually had a different color front page. I asked to request that. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, so it's got this orange front page. This is it's the 365 days, and it's in French. This is plus jour, and it's a calendar. It just starts the first day, like there's this first page, and then it just goes straight into the thing. It's in French too, English and French, and it doesn't have actual days of the week, so you can reuse it, so you can buy it and then reuse it. It is expensive. It's like $80 for this. So people, I think, buy them in bulk maybe or something like that, so that you can get a couple of them at the same price, because you can reuse it every year. I mean, you can use the same, you don't need to, it's not year subjective, so you can buy it. And then it also has this thingy, which is like a little H, Hermes, you know, to like move it into what day you're on or whatever. So I am excited about this. I will bring my thing down so I can put it inside so you can see what it looks like. But it comes in this fun box too. I'm gonna go get that, come back, and then do that. But okay, these are the ones that I got earlier that I already unboxed for you guys. And this is what it looks like with the initials. There's my initials right here. So I got this one with the initials. I still haven't used any of these. I bought these like 6 months ago. I still haven't used a single one. I might have a shopping problem. I might have an addiction problem. I might have just a spending up. I might have a lot of problems. Okay, so this one's leather. It's the smallest size. Like, I still have the tags on. I mean, come on, Maya. So this is two different colors. It's Rouge Decor and Rouge Piment. So Rouge Decor is this outside color, I think, and then Rouge Piment is the inside color. So it's double leather lined. So this one was actually 500 something, and then the inserts inside with the nice paper was a different price. So that's that one, and then this is in the traditional gold color. So if we look at this compared to chai, see the difference. And so now I have my calendar insert that I got. So we're gonna put the calendar insert in this one. This one I haven't got my initials on yet, but I also have yet to, like brand new, tag still on. This is Togo in gold. So this has ruler line paper, same thing. That in there. This one had a colored one in it, which I feel like I should get more colored ones. That's what that kind of looks like. I am going to take this out of this one and put in the planner. This can be my daily calendar with my daily to-dos. And then this, oopsies. And then this can be more like, you know, I don't know. I have no idea how to use these. I also found these other two things that I bought, also unopened, just literally paper. Okay. So, but this is what they look like as a set. There was another one of these in chai, which I almost got, which now maybe I should go back and get, because then I can do, well, so this is how I would hold it. Like that, or I could do tone on tone with the two chais. Tone on tone, chai. I'll think about it, because I think I can always get the chai. Oh no, they're always sold out of the chai. Well, I just like the way it feels. It feels like, it smells good, it feels good. It feels like a diary. I don't know how to describe it. There's no way to describe it. If you have any questions about my Hermes journey or your Hermes journey or any questions about Hermes in general, please reach out. I am an open book. I'm happy to talk about any of this stuff, prices, everything like that, my experience. Again, this is just my experience. This is just what I've been through. This is how I'm working towards my Birkin, working to my Birkin, or working to my Kelly, welly to my Kelly, selly to my Kelly, selly to my Kelly. I don't know. We'll come up with something else. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much. Okay, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me.